We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Now concentrate here. This is the now see this in this lecture we have discussed the output characteristics of common emitter configuration of transistor. Now see topic output characteristics of common emitter configuration. Now see this. Now see I have sketched the characteristics. It is the plotted between VCE and IC. VCE means what? Collector to emitter voltage, and IC means what? Collector current. VCE and IC, these type of characteristics, sorry, these type of characteristics we can get. Make sure that if you want to measure the output characteristics, so make input equal to constant. Make input equal to constant. This is the different constant value, and based on that we can get the output. See, this is the saturation region. Saturation region. It is active region. Here it is cut off. Cut off. Cut-off active and saturation region. Now, how to get these characteristics? See this first point. If you can increase the VCE, then there is no change in the collector current. If you can increase the VCE, then there is no change in the collector current. Collector current is more depends on base current. See this. Here 10 microampere, here 20 microampere. So collector current is depends on this current, base current. Or collector current depends on input current, not depends on VCE. See this graph is constant. Why this constant? That I have explained with the help of transistor. that I have explained with the help of transistor. See this. This is NPN transistor. It is N. It is P. It is N. Now, see this. Now see this. Now see. This is BBB battery. Now, this is RC resistor. Emitter is common. This is emitter is common. Now, if you can increase the VCB voltage, see this. This is VCC. I have plot here VCC. Now, if you can increase the collector to base voltage, then there is no change in the collector current. Why? Because collector current is depends on internal barrier potential. See this potential. See this potential. This is the N terminal, so it creates positive charge. It is P terminal, so it creates negative charge. Now, large number of electrons is this. See this. Large number of electrons are present in collector, and here also large number of electrons. See this. This is electron. Assume that. Now, due to barrier potential, see this is the barrier potential. So this is positive charge. Always attract the electron. See this. This positive charge always attracts the electron present in the emitter. See, this is emitter, this is collector. So more number of electron can be entered. Base emitter junction in forward bias, collector base junction is reverse bias. But whatever electron that can be transferred it via emitter. Electron emitter through transfer thase. Simply say in Gujarati. Emitter through transfer thase. Simply say transfer the electron through emitter. That's why emitter current is always large. See this. Emitter current is always large. Always large. If emitter current is always large, then collector current is also large. Why? Because collector current more depends on emitter current and base current. So it is considered as a more number of electrons can be attracted due to this depletion barrier. So see this graph here is more. Slope of the graph is more compared to common base because in common base input current is IE, but in common emitter input current is IB. That's why slope is more. So in active region, see this is known as active region. This is known as active region. In active region, it can be act as an amplifier. It can be act as a amplifier. Now, now see this graph we can get. Now, if you can decrease the value of VCE, means what? Move towards this point. Move towards this point. Move towards the left side. Then collector current is linearly increased. See this linear portion. Why linear portion? Assume that here 5 volt. Assume that here 5 volt. Assume that here 7 volt. Now, obviously this is reverse bias. So large number of electron can be traveled through collector. But see, now if you can reduce the value from 7 volt to 4 volt. Now see what happens. If you can reduce 4 volt, now compare 5 volt and 4 volt. So this is more reverse bias. This is forward bias compared to 5 volt. So more number of electrons now cannot be traveled. Current can be increased linearly. Current can be increased linearly. So see this current can be increased linearly. Why? Because voltage can be reduced. Now if you can further reduce the voltage, see this, if you can reduce from 4 volt to 3 volt, if you can reduce the 4 volt from 3 volt, see this, if you can apply here 3 volt, then also it is considered as a forward bias. So large number of current that can be flow in the collector compared to 2 volt if VCC equal to 2 volt. Now if you can to put VCC equal to 0 volt, what is the meaning of that? VCC equal to 0 volt means consider it is the short circuit. Consider it is the short circuit. Now see this is the short circuit and here it can be connected with ground. Now if you can apply here short circuit, then see this, due to barrier potential electron is attracted. So electron can be travel like that. Electron can be also travel like that. Also travel like that. But see here, it is the negative terminal. Negative terminal always repel the electron. Again repeat, negative terminal always repel the electron. So if you can make VCC equal to 0, then IC equal to 0. See this. That's why this graph cannot move in the saturation in second quadrant like common base. In common base configuration, graph always moves in the second quadrant, but in common emitter, it does not move in the second quadrant. Why? Because if we can make VCC equal to 0, then internal barrier potential develop that collector base junction always attract the electron, but reverse bias voltage of VBB, negative potential of VBB directly applied here. Negative potential of VBB directly applied here. So more number of negative electron can be flow in the circuit. More number of negative electrons that can be flow in the circuit. So more number of negative charge and electron, it can be repel with each other. So if VCC equal to 0, then IC equal to 0. If VCC equal to 0, then IC equal to 0 for common emitter configuration. For common emitter configuration, if Vc is equal to 0, then Ic equal to 0. Why? Because negative terminal directly applied to collector. So this negative voltage and collector electron always repel with each other. So collector current can be reduced to 0. No electron flow in the circuit. Why? Because negative terminals repel with each other. Simply saying Gujarati language, due to this negative electron, due to this negative charge, whatever electron comes out from collector, it always repel with each other, not attract with each other. That's why collector current is 0, electron cannot be able to flow in the circuit. Clear? So it is the correct explanation related to that. Now I have removed this figure. I have write that explanation very clearly in the word. If VCE equal to 0, then IC equal to 0. Why? Due to internal barrier potential attracts the electron. Internal barrier potential developed at collector to base junction that attract the electron towards collector, but due to present of negative terminal BBB battery, current cannot be flow, so electron cannot flow, so electron cannot flow, so collector current collector current 0, collector current reduced to 0. So it is the explanation regarding the common collect emitter output characteristics, and this is the linear increase. That's why it is known as saturation region. In saturation region follows the Ohm's law. It follows Ohm's law, but in active region it does not follow Ohm's law. An active region satisfied the equation active region active region IC equal to beta IB plus leakage current equation satisfied this equation. Please prepare this equation very carefully. So it is the output characteristics of common emitter configuration of transistor. Read this very carefully. It is the very important. Now see this from PDF. See this different base value. In cutoff region only leakage current flow. Why? Because both junctions are in reverse bias. Both junctions are in reverse bias. Already explained this operation. Dynamic resistance Rho equal to delta VE upon delta IC, delta V upon delta I, obviously. Now see output characteristics. First point, make IB current at constant level so we can change VCE so IC is different. The first point, seeing the output characteristics of common emitter configuration of transistor, if we can increase VCE, then there is no change in the collector current drastically. However, collector current is more depends on which current? Base current. This is the first step. In active region, base emitter junction in forward bias, collector base junction are in reverse bias. So at fixed value of base current, there is more slope found in the output characteristics. So it is the advantage of slope higher than compared to common base. So this is in active region. By slope we can get high due to presence of leakage current. We can get the high value. Leakage current in common emitter configuration is transferred via emitter. Electron can be transferred via emitter. That's why emitter current is large as well as leakage current is large. In active region of transistor, Ohm's law not fully satisfied. Here slope is small due to the fact collector current is always large compared to base current. So VCE equal to 0, then IC equal to 0. It is known as common emitter configuration. Now see this, understand the difference. If VCB equal to 0, then IC not equal to 0. But in common emitter configuration, if VC equal to 0, then obviously IC equal to 0. This is the major difference. Now see this. Emitter is common due to this negative potential. Due to this negative potential directly applied to the collector, if VCC equal to 0, then directly applied to collector. So collector current is 0. See this. If VCC equal to 0, then collector electron cannot able to travel because negative terminal of BBB battery directly applied to collector. See this. Negative terminal of BBB battery directly applied to collector. That's why collector current is reduced to 0 due to concept of repulsion. So it is considered as a VCC equal to 0, then IC equal to 0. So it is considered as a saturation region. In saturation region, both junctions are in forward bias. If we can decrease the reverse bias voltage, collector to base, I have explained already in whiteboard with the help of 5 volt and 4 volt. See this. So more forward bias BE junction, if we can increase more than 5 volt, then convert it into reverse bias. Means what? If VBB equal to 5 volt and VCC equal to assume that 3 volt. Now if you can increase from 3 to 10, then forward bias VCC can be converted into reverse bias. So if we can increase VCC more than 5 volt, so it convert into reverse bias state. So now present into active region and satisfied this equation. This equation is only satisfied in the active region. Assume that VBB equal to 5 volt, VCC equal to 3 volt. Now if you can increase the VCC from 3 to 10 volt, at that time, saturation region must be converted into active region. Why? Because voltage is increased, VCC is increased. So saturation region, maximum current is flow. It is known as VCC by RC. In active region, IC equal to beta time IB plus ICEO. This equation cannot applied into saturation region. Remember that point. In saturation region, IC equal to VCC divided by RC. So it is the last equation. See this very carefully. This is the last point related to common emitter output characteristics. It is also known as collector curves. It is also known as collector curves. Now we have concentrate on the practical, live practical in virtual lab. Simply write virtual lab. This is the online tool, free tool, electronics communication. basic electronics. See this basic electronics lab. List of experiment, common emitter characteristics, simulation, output characteristics. Now see, first of all make one constant. Here, now we want to measure which characteristics, output or input, output. So make sure that input equal to 1 milliampere. See this here, 15 microampere. Set here the value. See here 10 microampere is present. So with the help of rheostat, set 15 microampere with the help of rheostat 1. See this rheostat 1. Now if you can change the rheostat 2, then based on the VCE, there is change in the collector current. See this. 0.2 volt, current is 11.37. So write the make the sure that reading you have to add. See this the change. Here 0.2 to 0.3. Here current is changed from 11 to 16. See this is the drastically increase. Now see 4. See this 0.3 to 0.4. Here 16 to 21. See this 11, 16, 21, 26. Current is linearly increased. See this. See this. Uniform increase. Current is uniform increase. See this. What I am trying to say that, see this. 31 to 41. If you can increase the value of resistance, then current is increased. See this. See this. Now see this, if you can take different value. Now see 2.8 volt, 4.6 volt, collector to emitter. Current is constant. See this current is constant. After 2 volt, VCE equal to 2 volt, collector current remain constant. See this constant current. Now if you can plot this value, see this plot. See this is the characteristics, output characteristics of common emitter configuration of transistor. See this very carefully. VC equal to 0, then IC equal to 0. So only limited in first quadrant. Don't move in the second quadrant. See this is the perfect characteristics, VI characteristics of PN junction diode. Sorry, VI characteristics of common emitter configuration of transistor. Now, see, make sure that all the clear. See this here value present between from 60 level, below 60. Now see if you can increase the value of rheostat 1 from 15 to 20. Now see what is the effect in collector current. Here, get to table. Making constant If you want to measure output, then make input equal to constant. See this constant 22. Input constant करना है को. Now see, add to table. See, starting current is 31. See, 97. See, 109. See, 109 now consider as a constant current. See, starting portion of VCE, if you can just increase from VCE from 0 to something level voltage, at that time collector current increase linearly. I have seen the reading, first increase from 5 unit, then 4, then 3, then consider as a constant. So starting ma current is increased, then current can be considered as a constant, like that particular path. See this, like that particular path. This type of shape can be developed. Now see if you can plot these characteristics. See this. Starting portion of region, current is increased. Now see this current is obviously collector current between 100 to 150 milliampere. In previous case, base current is constant up to 2 milliampere, microampere. At that time, collector current we can get only 10 milliampere. But here see this collector current present between 100 to 140 milliampere. So it is the advantage. If you can increase the base current, then obviously collector current is increased. So read the step here very carefully. Read the step here clearly, step given, and not this link. Directly you can access the practical. Thank you. Once first you have to do practical, then you have to able understand easily. Output characteristics plot between VCE and IC. Input characteristics plots between VBE and IB. So it is the input output current and voltage respectively. Thank you very much.